Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to unsend a voice message in Messenger. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Messenger application on our mobile phone if you're not already. So what you want to do, if you do not already have it downloaded, you want to go to open up your app store on your mobile phone, find Messenger and download it. Once you have logged in with your Facebook account or whichever account you prefer, it's going to look like this. You can go ahead and open up any chat in your Messenger. As you can see, I have opened up this chat right here. Then I have that I sent a voice note to. Now let's say you sent a voice note but you do not want to go ahead and let the other person take a look at that voice note anymore. You want to delete it for both you and them. Well, it's very easy guys, and all we need to do to be able to delete our voice note is just go ahead and hold on it. Hold this voice note that you have sent. It's going to open up this menu with multiple options such as to reply, forwarded, and so on, and one of them is going to be called delete. So if we click the delete button, as you can see, we can select what we want to delete, select your voice note, and then you can just click the delete button. This is going to enable them for you to only delete for you. If you delete this way, then you will not be able to see it, but the other person will. If you delete for everyone, as it says right here, now the other person will not be able to take a look at your voice note and you have successfully deleted it, and that's how you can do it. So you can do this for any type of message that you prefer, and you can delete anything that you want like this if you do not want the other person to see it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.